Welcome, children. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Al-Haseeb. This is a very special name that helps us understand how Allah watches over us and keeps track of everything we do. Let's discover what this wonderful name means and how it connects to our daily lives. Al-Haseeb means the reckoner. This means Allah is the one who keeps perfect count of everything in the entire universe. Nothing escapes Allah's knowledge, not even the smallest action or tiniest thought. Allah knows exactly how many stars are in the sky, how many fish are in the ocean, and most importantly, Allah keeps track of everything we do, whether it's big or small. You know how sometimes you might keep a special notebook to write down important things? Maybe you use it to check off your homework or mark when you've done your chores. Some children even use stickers to track their good deeds. Well, Allah, as Al-Haseeb, is like having the most perfect notebook keeper ever. But Allah doesn't need a notebook. Allah never forgets anything and keeps track of everything perfectly. As Al-Haseeb, Allah records every single thing we do throughout our lives. When you give a friendly smile to someone, Allah writes it down. When you say kind words to your friends or family, Allah records it. Every time you help someone in need, it's counted. Allah also knows when we make mistakes or do things we shouldn't. Remember, Allah never makes any mistakes in counting and never forgets anything. Let me tell you about a child named Sarah who learned about Al-Haseeb. One day, she saw her little brother struggling with his homework. Even though she wanted to keep playing with her toys, she remembered that Allah was watching. So she helped her brother understand his math problems and later shared her favorite toy with him when he was feeling sad. Allah, as Al-Haseeb, recorded all of these kind actions in Sarah's book of deeds. Here's something amazing about Allah as Al-Haseeb. When we do good deeds, Allah doesn't just count them once. Instead, Allah multiplies our good deeds. Just one good deed can be counted as 10 good deeds and sometimes even more. This shows how generous Allah is and how much Allah loves when we do good things. Isn't that wonderful? There are so many ways we can remember that Allah is Al-Haseeb in our daily lives. We can start by saying Bismillah before we eat or do anything important. We can help our parents with housework, be kind to our brothers and sisters, and share our toys with friends. Remember, every time you do something good, Allah is watching and recording it with love. Dear children, always remember that Allah is Al-Haseeb, carefully counting all your good deeds. Try your very best to do good things every day, even if they seem small. Allah sees everything you do and loves when you try to be good. Know that every kind word, helpful action, and good deed is being recorded by Allah, the perfect reckoner, who loves you and wants you to succeed.